Usesigabeni sinabo babe evangelini, but they are not spiritual fathers. That's why the issue is. Because now, the moment you say a person is a spiritual father, you are taking the office of God. As Buelan. Yes, we're taking the office. That's not argument. They are replacing God.
Okay.
That is why, and now, in Tabayenza, there is someone to learn Kunukulembizele, Bazumbega with level in Yemen.
But later on in the years, because I needed to submit any leader, noma any muntu emhlabeni, uma ngabe umuntu uphila emhlabeni, kuyadinga ukuthi ube under leadership, ube under submission. Now, when you submit, the person that is taking care of your spiritual well-being, then that person fully under leadership yakhe, ekufatherisha noma ngaba ekukhulisa ekwakha. That is a father, ekufeeder spiritually.
That is why lento abafundisi ababizwa ama spiritual fathers baze bagcine bathi yiba bane njengoba umuzi ncekethi ne spiritual covering. No man can cover another man spiritually. There is no such thing.
Ungazibulali saphelele sonke. Mfowethu, dadwethu, amehla akagcwele inyembezi. Ameva ohlangabezene nawo empilweni, ahlabile wafinyelela enhlizweni. Miningi imibuzo onayo engqondweni. Onusaphilelani emhlabeni imihla namalanga kuvela okuba esigebeni labo bathembile baphelele emathuneni inkingo onazo siphunyukile esifubeni akekho ongazezweni uthulele bezidla ngase ematafuleni ubukholwa kodwa kusathandazeki ngisona senkonzweni usile kodwa kusakhonzeki ngisho isimo sakho asabhekeki ithemba ubunalo lihlakazekile imicabango yakho iphazamisekile amaphupho akho adukile usuphila impilo ongayithandile imisamo yonke uyivakashelile imali igcina iphelile kodwa akukho kulungile.
Greetings bafethu ngiyabingelela lapho emakhaya. Welcome la ekhaya Gifted Media. You know I'm always booming with the boom content. Igama Gift Mabunda, your favorite one. If not yet your favorite, please make sure you make me your favorite by clicking the button and subscribe and support this young man. Bafethu niyazi ukuthi angisilutho ngaphandle kwama subscriber wenu. And also thank you so much for those who already made sure ukuthi baya subscribe. Ngiyabonga kakhulu bafethu. And also our new subscribers. Thank you so much. And also for those who support us on Facebook, I see traffic. You guys, you are there. You're always making sure you send them a comment to you. You always make sure you like, and you always making sure you share our content. Thank you so much for what you guys doing now. TikTok, the same. Thank you guys for the support. On Instagram, I see guys, you are there as well. You are making sure that you contribute whatever you can contribute. Make sure you page imali physical shothi uthini ngilande nithi gift awusendele ibank account yakho ningisendele imali bafethu aningizameni bafethu yazi yangifanele imali mina ngoba ngihlela iyangifanele imali so guys nje ukuthi uvele ungisurprise nje ungifonela uthi hayi bengicela nje ibank account yakho. As Gifted Media, we are also available in our videograph services and photograph. If you want videograph services, it's either your wedding or anywhere that you want us to come and do and film the videograph services and also photograph. We are available who say 0630-680-959. That is my WhatsApp number. And also if you want to sit down with us and be one of our precious guests, please guys make sure you reach the number WhatsApp. And also guys, as nazi ukuthi angihlali ngedwa ngihlala ngenza isiqiniseko so ukuthi mina ugift lesinto siyashisa ngikwazi uhlala ngiwane. Also guys, iGifted Media isinama t-shirts bafethu niyabona nje ukuthi iGifted Media ibrand enkulu. It's not just a brand nje, ibrand enkulu. This is one of our t-shirts. We also have many t-shirts. This is our t-shirt guys. Angazi ukuthi izobonakala kahle, but I'll make sure ukuthi ngivezela wona kahle ku graphics guys. This is our t-shirt available for 250 anyway. We can send it via courier. And also we gonna introduce more t-shirt. We have a t-shirt for our worshippers. For those who don't know, iGifted Media, there's a Gifted Media worshippers. I'll make sure that soon is of other channel name here so that you guys can go and subscribe them. Also, I'm inviting any artist, yes, long year worshipper, please come and audition like Gifted Media. What's bad? Ungenze ukuthi uyithole usengcupheni ephezulu. Bafowethu, ngivumele namhlanje ngiwelcome abafundisi bethu today. Kuzoshuba namhlanje itulo ziyobheka phansi. Ama bodyguard wami arrange lapha ngaphandle ngoba namhlanje sizokhala bafethu allow me to welcome umfundisi uPhelelani yes umfundisi uPhelelani Khumalo no mfundisi umpostoli uDokotela Geqeza welcome
siyabonga
namkelekile
Siyabonga.
yes maybe siqale kuwe ke mfundisi uPhelelani because ukhona khona la ekhaya bakwazi ababukeli noma bebone kancane nje because ukuhamba nomfundisi uNtando umliftile ngala akamtshela umfundisi uNtando ukuthi uze nawo sengibona sofikile la nje ngicela usintroduce kubabukeli bethu ukuthi ubani wakabani uvela phela endawo
Ngiyabonga kakhulu mfowethu uGift. Igama nguphelelani ngakhumalo. Umntwana kaNkuluNkulu ngisindisiwe. Uqinisile ngaleya ngesikhathi sabasincane. Also nakumina kwaba surprise ukuthi wawungazi ukuthi siyaza but ke that is neither here nor there. Ngumntwana kaNkuluNkulu ngisindiswe ngo-2011. Ngihlangana nje noJesu wangenzela umusa.
sure
Ngayithola insindiso since today ngisasindisiwe. Ngisebandleni ke elibizwa ngokuthiwa i-Practitioners of Truth in Christ. I mean iseSoweto sikhonzele esikoleni esibizwa ngokuthiwa iSensei Primary School sise room 5 la. Sinabazalwane nje siqala ngo11 ukukhonza so sidumisa nje uJesu each and every day. We do nothing, we praise no one else except uJesu Kristu.
sure
Asina spiritual father ngaphandle kaJesu.
sure
So siminje lapho siyamdumisa uNkulunkulu siyambonga kakhulu awunkasenzela ko.
mfundisi velo ufuna ukuthinta itopic yethu singakaphindi kuyo you are welcome sir also apostoli sizokuthi wena umbani wabukeli abathe saqala ukumbona lo baba esikhe naye namhlanje kwaGifted Media maybe to introduce yourself as well
siyabonga kakhulu thank you so much for amabunda and to everyone lona umpostoli uAbraham Mlindel Geqeza ngisevila Liza ngisebandleni eChrist through all gospel outreach ministries ngisindisiwe umntwana kaNkuluNkulu and ngishadileke unkosikazi oyedwa amadodana amathathu cishe ke ikoloko engakusho kwamanje okuningi maybe kuyoloko kungena okuhamba kwesikhathi ngiyabonga kakhulu
mfundisi awukwazi ukuthi uyeke uhambeni kwesikhathi thengisa mfundisi ubizingani alright umuntu ofisa ukusupporta vele ungasasichithi isikhathi amabhizinisi wakho wachitha wonke mfundisi imali yokubhadala nje sibhadala ngakho lo
okay first and foremost ngi-author umbhali wencwadi and then incwadi engizenayo namhlanje yiyo le ethi Where Are the Fathers iwu-150 rand nje kuphela cishe ngiyengabona irrelevant kuloko esokhuluma ngakho namhlanje ngoba sizokhuluma ngendaba yobaba and then ke also I'm running a Bible college iKingdom Apostolic Bible College even online mangaba ungena nje uthi www.kabc.co.za or Kingdom Bible College izovela online and then also ngenhlanhla enkulu ke cishe ngicompetitor kaMabunda kulena ithetha senze I am doing printing and embroidery and then and marketing I am supplying ama uniform ezikolweni emakampanini kuma organizations and stuff and also I am also supplying office furniture and stationery and all that ngakhohlwa ebaleke kangaka ama CCTV cameras masihleli lapha ngaphandle still waiting lapha I'm looking at ingathi akunama camera la so fanele ukuthi kutholakala ama camera all right not a problem so thank you so much basically that is that ikoloko engikwenzayo ngiyabonga kakhulu
no siyabonga mpostoli ningi ukwenzayo mpostoli ukuthi incebo iyasebenza niyabona abantu abasha ukuthi kubalekile ukusebenza ngisamile ngithi ugcoba ingcobo umpostoli izinto ayibalile zingakanani ayi1 nje uyasebenza umpostoli siyabonga so thank you so much Man of God. I think ivele singakachithi isikhathi sovele singene nje odabeni because sesaba nendaba ukuthi topic yanamhlanje sizokhuluma nge-spiritual father ukuthi ngabe spiritual father si-biblical na because ababukela abaningi babe nokudideka especially uma umfundisi uphelelani noma umr phelelani uma kekhuluma athi indaba ye-spiritual father into engekho futhi kubukeka ngathi mesiyilandelela ine-cult phakathi because sometimes lo muntu ugcine onarishwa noma engeke manje kuthiwa awusiyabingelela umsobaba umpostoli uGeqeza engekho phakathi kwethu sometimes abanye bebuye be-extend bethi sibingelela nomama as a spiritual man so namhlanje topic yethu esinayo maybe ukuthi siqale la what is a spiritual father umpostoli uGeqeza.
Okay ake siqale ngalendlela esikhathini esiningi uma ngaba siba nama arguments noma siba nokungaboni ngasolinye suke singalwi nalento esithi silwa ngayo kodwa silwa sometimes ne misunderstanding either yamagama noma yezimo eziyezabakhona ngenxa yaleyo nto leyo. In most cases uma ngaba kuliwa ngendaba ye-spiritual father njengoba sowukhothile ukhotha indlela ekwenziwa ngayo towards ama-spiritual fathers. Now I normally say awukwazi ukuthi akekho udoctor mangaba uye waye esibhedlele noma kwa-doctor wafika udoctor enza into engekho awukwazi ukulwa no-doctor ube sothi there is no doctor. Now i-question yakho ithi who or what is a spiritual father?
Yes.
A spiritual father is a person, number one, that has given birth emuntwini ngokwevangeli. Umuntu oshumayela ivangeli emuntwini. That is number one. Uma eshumayela ivangeli emuntwini umuntu amkele ivangeli from yena lo muntu uyamzala ngokukamoya because uma usindiswa awuzalwa ngokwenyama uzalwa ngokukamoya. That's number one. Number two, a spiritual father can also be a person or adopte umuntu already osekazelwe just like in the social life or biological, I mean in the physical life umuntu can be ubaba umuntu ngokuthi am-adopte noma abe ngubaba umuntu ngokuthi amsale. Ne? And then the gama elithi spiritual father aliko in the Bible. In the Bible you find a father in faith, a father in the Lord. But when we are saying the spiritual father is a person onakekela umuntu ezintweni zikamoya. Umuntu okwazi ukuthi akhulise anature umuntu spiritually. Now we translate the spiritual I mean the father in the faith, the father in the Lord as a spiritual father. Now in the physical life we have got God who created us. Sonke singaba kaNkulunkulu. Wonke umuntu umntwana umuntu kaNkulunkulu, created uNkulunkulu. But in the physical we have got uGeqeza umlindeli ongubaba kaLwando Geqeza. You understand? Yes. Now it doesn't remove uNkulunkulu kwiposition yakhe of being a creator, of being onguyena odale noma owenze ukuthi uLwando abe khona. But now because of uNkulunkulu used umlindeli Geqeza ukuthi athi bring about who uLwando Geqeza in the sun. And uLwando akathi makaphaphama athi my father in heaven. Kodwa uLwando makaphaphama uthi tata kubani kulo omlethe emhlabeni. You understand? So now when we check in of the spiritual father, this person ulo muntu oye washumayela ivangeli ngenze nje example ngami ngashunyayezwa uApostle Andrew Peterson. A colored guy from a full gospel. Ngangisejele lo muntu lo azange benesikhathi sami azange benesikhathi nami because of wayengena ejele azoshumayela aphuma hamba. Now the person uplantile ivangeli mangiphakamisa izandla ngithi ngamukela uJesu abe inkosi nomsindisi wempilo yami, it was because of uAndrew Peterson. Right? yes ubuyile kaningi but there around the time noma along the time kunabantu abaningi who contributed in my spiritual growth. Those people I can simply call them mentors. But later on in the years, because I needed to submit any leader noma any muntu emhlabeni, uma ngabe umuntu uphila emhlabeni kuyadinga ukuthi ube under leadership, ube under submission. Now, when you submit, the person that is taking care of your spiritual well-being, then that person fully under leadership yakhe, ekufadarisha noma ngaba ekukhulisa, ekwakha. That is a father, ekufeeda spiritually, ekunakekela ngezinto eziningi spiritual. That is a spiritual father. Angazi ukuthi ngenzela ukuthi ngadli isikhathi kakhulu, but there is a lot that I can say in that. Umpostoli Peter, or rather uPaul, ukhuluma kuTimothy, ukhuluma kwibandla laseKorinte. Masifunda incwadi yabaKorinte chapter number 4. Umpostoli Paul ukhuluma kwibandla. First
verse 15.
Yes, First Corinthians chapter 4. Yes. Ukhuluma kwibandla laseKorinte. Ukhuluma nabo as ubaba. Number 2, uthi kubo nginithumelela indodana yami, my son. Kusho umpostoli Paul. Uthi nginithumelela uTimothy oyindodana, who is a son to me. A beloved son, ozakini ozonifundisa, anikhumbuze, anibonise yonke indlela engenza ngayo.
Sure.
You understand?
Because you already done what I wanted to also to refer encwadini yeBhayibheli, because whatever esikhulumayo at the end of the day need to be centered on the weight.
Yes.
Yes. Mfundisi uPhelelani, nayo indaba. You have heard what is the spiritual fire.
Yeah.
Maybe sometimes kunokuthi uyabona umuntu beke kunika eminingi kuba ngcono ukuthi nawe ucomment. Uthi umfundisi uqeqeza mangimlalele, spiritual father is someone okuzalile ngokamoya. Kusho ukuthi is a person who evangelized to you ukuthi wena uzukwamukele uJesu. So I want you to comment on that after umfundisi uqeqeza asekayichazile indaba.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu futhi ngiyabonga kumfundisi wami because engikuzwayo uvumelana nami.
Okay.
Number 1 ba mention indaba ukuthi asinayo item eBhayibhelini ethi spiritual father. Kuyiqiniso lo. Nawe angifundisile ngamagama ngama concept. Siqinise abantu abalula amagama ukuthi asinalo igama lithi Trinity, asinalo igama lithi rapture in the Bible. I'm not a person ogcina engena kulawo ma argument noma kuma discussions. But with this one, I think ngizofuna ukuthi ngihlehla kancane inciki yami. Mhlambe before ngikhulume inciki, I'm very disappointed nciki ngokuthi inciki uSiphongwenya ngicula ngabi khona ngoba uye obe ngathi uphusha kakhulu engifuna yena. Kodwa kulungileke ngokunciki khona ngihlonipha nciki sizoxoxa nje ngoba besingazange kuzokula futhi asibe. So uthi indaba ukuthi the term spiritual father is not in the Bible. So but we, according to him, we get a concept of that term. So now to reach that conclusion, I believe what is by mere interpretation. Ukuthi umpostoli Paul ekhuluma ukuthi ebandleni labaseKorinte, I have begotten you in Christ through the gospel, then it means the spiritual father. But simewe foundation efanayo ke uma ethi asinayo iterm ethi spiritual father. Angenelanaka. Ngathi mangikhuluma ngathi anginankinga nomuntu othi abiza umkamfundisi komama mfundisi, because when I check ukuthi yipi dangers analand angiyiboni mina ngokwami unless kuzwa someone azongiconvince that no lento inomngozi 1 2 3 and futhi ayikho eBhayibhelini. Angiboni futhi kungani inkinga ukuthi kuthiwe yebo mangabe inomngozi. But asiye zonke izinto ngoba nazinomngozi noma mhlambe khona noma into isetshenziswe wrong njengalokho echazile incike. Masingenza kanjalo singanobudumo. Ngoba umlomo kwesinye isikhathi ukusetshenziswa wrong abantu bathuka abantu but asuvali. Iso like setshenziswa wrong libheka into ilokhu umuntu kaba silivali. Nemali yathenga igebengu ukuthi kubula lokhundane kubulala umuntu asivali. So asivali into ngoba nake isetshenziswe kabi. So ishami ke ila. Ngathi umuntu ebiza umuntu ne spiritual father ngifuna so underline lawo magama kuba nobungozi because uma siza ngoBhayibheli noma ngokumbhalo we have God now who is our father. Ngifuna sifundeke lezi incwadi ngase ngithi ke uma uzothatha umuntu ofana nami enyameni uzothi uyi-spiritual father, you are substituting uNkulunkulu, because uma kuza kwi-new dispensation noma kulokhunjani kwi-new testament noma emsindisweni, uNkulunkulu yena ngokwakhe seyazalela abazalwane. Uma esebazalile uba ubaba kubo. Now uma uzothatha umuntu wenyama uzothi kuyena ke manje wena you are a spiritual father, then you are tapping into i-office okumafanele kungena umuntu, ngoba it is exclusively reserved for uNkulunkulu. Asifunda umbhalo izozwakala kahle. Ngathanda uma sifunda silapha ku first kuJohn 1 sifunda ndo verse 12 and 13. Ngicela nje ukusheshsha ngoba ngifuna isikhathi sisave. Lapha ku verse 12 ifundeka kanje. Ithi ke bonke abamemukelayo wabapha amandla ukuba babe ngabantwana bakaNkulunkulu. Manje abantu sebengabantwana bakaNkulunkulu, laba abakholwayo abamukela uJesu. Abasiba abantu bakaNkulunkulu phela, kunomehluko phakathi komuntu oNkulunkulu nomntwana kaNkulunkulu. Uma umukela uJesu njengenkosi nomsindisi ukholo egameni lakhe, unikwa amandla ukuthi ube ngumntwana kaNkulunkulu. Izoqhubeka ichaza. Mayisithi laphana ke labo abakholwa egameni likaJesu. Uthethi ngathi ke abangazalwanga ngagazi, sekungena ukuzala ke manje. Abangazalwanga ngagazi ngentando yenyama nentando yendoda, kodwa bazalwa nguNkulunkulu. Na ngathi ni okay, asifundeni bazalwane. Ngifuna nje sihambe ngokwefunda. Na uma bazalwa nguNkulunkulu, siyamuza uJesu mechaza uNkulunkulu ukuthi ubani lapha na kuJohn 4, right? Asemngiyona la. Ngizoshasha nje. John 4 verse 24. Ngifuna ukufunda yena yedwa. Noma ku23 bebalekile ngoba ukhuluma ukuthi ukhuluma ngoNkulunkulu ubaba. Bese ku24 athi ke uNkulunkulu ngumoya, abakhuleka kuye bafanele ukukhuleka ngomoya nangeqiniso. So lo Nkulunkulu ekuthiwa uyazala, siyatshelwa futhi ukuthi umoya. So uma sokuza kwiChristianity noma kubantu abangamaKristu banayo yise, and lo yise, he is the spirit. Therefore the father of the spiritual of the believers noma Christians is God, whose spirit, then he is a spiritual father. Akwazi ukuzongena umuntu oyinyama nje azothi spiritual father kuma Kristu. Siyamuzwa na kuJohn 3 uJesu Kristu ekhuluma noNicodemus athi okuzelwe inyama kunyama kuzelwe umoya kuyini kumoya. Bese ethi ngithanda amazwi laphana ethi usiyaluza udumo lomoya ukuthi luya kodwa swazi lokhu njani phelela futhi uvela. Athi kunjalo nokuzalwa kwalabo abazalwa yini umoya, futhi asazi bazalwa kanjani. Angihlehleke ngikule verse lelo unceka lithintile ngoba kubalekile ukuthi address u 1 Corinthians chapter 4 verse 15. Asemfundeni bazalwa ngoba kufuna sifunde ibhayibheli. Amen. Sizoyizwa kahle. Apostle Paul, he was not saying lapha kule yancwadi he is the spiritual father to ama Corinthians. All he was implying ukuthi ukuze ibandla laseCorinthian bekhona kwasetshenziswa yena as the first person ukuthi ayoshumayela khona. Now eBhayibhelini ke sinama fathers amaningi. Abraham is one of them, but that doesn't mean ukuthi Abraham is our spiritual father. Why to Abraham uyilokhunjani uyifather kuthina? Is because makuzokhuluma ngento ye-faith, God is the first person amsebenzisa uAbraham ukuze kuzoqala lento yami ye-faith. Wase kuthiwa ngoba wona Abraham uNkulunkulu uqale ngawe i-faith, usho uNkulunkulu ambekele lento le, and then he reward him as the father of all those who have faith. So umuntu osetshenziswayo as a founder of something, lowo muntu besebizwa ngefather, because the term father and the founder lima the same position. A person who has founded something is called what? A founder or a father. Ngizothi explain kancane. So now Apostle Paul kule ncwadi uaddressa leyo. Asizweni sisikuze singayikhulumi. Verse 15. Ithi ngokuba noma nina bafundisi abayizinkulungwane ezishumi kuKristu. Ngifuna si-underline naleyo ngoba bayijamba abantu abaningi. Ngesingisi sikhuluma ngama-instructors. Abafuni ukuthatha lento yokuthi they are instructors. You understand? Uthi ngakuba nina bafundisi or instructors abayinkulungwane kubani kuKristu. Nokho oyihlo kababanini ngokuba nina nganizala izwake nganizala kubani kuKristu Jesu ngevangeli. Akathi nganizala esontweni, akathi nganizala esontweni ngoba lama spiritual fathers abantu abaqala amasonto abo mase kunaleli bandla ngoba naku igama lebandla lize naye lento esungulwe uyi bonke abantu abazongena kulonto usethi yena uyi-spiritual father kuphi kubona ayihambi kanjalo akekho umuntu ongezemva kwabapostoli azoba i-founder of something noma azoba a-founder yebandla namhlanje ngoba ibandla ama-founders alo mathathu kufike kubalwe abaprofeti balwe abapostoli bese kuzobala uJesu njengentshele igoma of Ephesians 2:19 so uma umpostoli uPaul ekhuluma la ukhuluma kahle igunya lokuba yifather noma ifounder vele bona bebenikiwe there is why even idoctrine yonke eshinyayelo enkolweni yobuKristu ivela kubapostoli thina asifiki nezinto ezintsha sesithi-ke manje nansi doctrine because I'm the founder or I'm the person who came up with the name of the church or this church nayo doctrine kumele sambe nga uma senze njalo asisakhi ibandla likaKristu uma sesenze njalo asisekho kuKristu asisekho evangelini lenkolo yobuKristu sesenze into zethu there is why uma uya emabandleni amaningi ngifuna ukukhuluma khona kushenye kunamagoma ituro enkulu ezihlala lapha phambili zika spiritual mother no spiritual father uma umfundiseva the mother umngamfundisi uthatha over or the son ngokuzalwa enyameni kamfundisi uthatha over because labantu bakhinto zabo so nawo asikwazi ukukhulumela izinto zabantu sisebenzisa izwi laNkulunkulu because that is manipulation uma ngathiwa sithatha izwi laNkulunkulu lo support izinto zethu into eyenziwa abafundisi abaningi noma abazalwana abaningi la sikhulumela into kaNkulunkulu ngithini-ke mangisho kanje nini ngiqedele le explanation ngale uzoba ne problem uma sizothatha leli vesi ngokuthi lithi le formulate doctrine ethi umuntu okushumayezile uyi-spiritual father njengoba uncikishile it will lead us into absurdity and yonke ilo interpretation esithi mangabe si-apply silidele into absurdity lo interpretation is wrong. That's the rule of interpretation. Every interpretation that which when we apply it leads us into absurdity. That interpretation is wrong. I understand. That's the rule of interpretation. Ufanele ukuthi uma interpreta something ekugcineni kunika sense yalento le osuke njani ufuna ukuyithola imini yakhona noma explanation yakhona. I understand. Yeah, so now angaqedi. So now ngithini uma kuzothiwa lana umuntu okushumayezile uyi-spiritual father nomuntu okunatural uyi-spiritual father sinamabandla namhlanje ahola abantu besimanga abanye bethu basevangelini bayashunyayezwa abantu bani besimanga how do we regard them? Do we say they are spiritual mothers? They are spiritual fathers because there is a verse a formulator law noma we say they are spiritual mothers asinayo into efana nale what if ngashunyayezwa ingane encane kunamhlanje na 13 years angishumayeza ngamukela uJesu iba yini okay angifuni ukuyakhuluma ngencwadi eminye bengifuna ukuthi ngithinte ngazo lelo kunjani ukuze ngiconclude kahle but I think iphuzu lami lizwakala mangithi the reason why Apostle Paul ethi lana uyena obaba kubo laba abanye ama instructors is because umuntu kubapostoli wasetshenziswa ukuthi ibandla laseCorinthe libe khona then uma wenze kanjalo kakhulu njengompostoli njengoba bengamafana vele unalo lelo lungelo lokuthi ungafaka kulezo cathulo aka formulate into doctrine esibizwa ngokuthi spiritual fact.
Siyabonga Nceko. Mfundisi uGetreza I think Nceko isiphefumulile kule side yalo. Uyayizwa futhi ibicala ngathi ivumelana nawe but sikhathi mase sihamba isaliyakujikela futhi ithi hayi into isifake ku spiritual father iyona error. So I want to know mfundisi in term ukuthi maybe singapheli ngepende kanti wena ukho la. Are you a spiritual father of somebody?
I am.
Okay. Uma u spiritual father of somebody Apostle, we want to know kulezinto ichazile what make you to qualify ukuthi wena singakhuluma ngokweBhayibheli ube spiritual father sika somebody.
Okay. Bengifuna sifunde le verse sifunde kahle futhi ngesizulu.
Okay.
Kodwa ke ngicela sifunde then ngizophendula umbuzo wakho.
No problem.
Ngicela siphinde sifunde ngesizulu mphathi wami.
15 here.
15.
Ngokuba nomane nabafundisi abayizinkulungwane ezishumi kuKristu nokho yihlo kababaningi ngokuba mina nganizala kuKristu uJesu ngevangeli
nganizala. Yeah. So I I think asihlukananga noma ngaba asixabana sikhuluma kwiline eyi-1 yize ke maybe i-interpretation or maybe ngizothini incazelo ngingubaba kubantu abaningi engibazele evangelini.
Okay.
Ngibazele evangelini. So when you give birth, you become a parent, you become a father. I am a father. Ngimzele. Number 2, kunabantu abaningi abekho ebandleni la ngikhonza khona. Ngibazele ba somewhere else, bakhonza somewhere else. Bakodwa bala kwi-kingdom kaNkulunkulu. I'm a father to those people. Ngibazele. Number 2, kukhona abanye angibazelanga kodwa ngiba adoptile ukuthi babe abantwana bam. And now to conclude answer your question yakho, into engiqualifyayo, 1, I take care of them spiritually.
Okay.
I feed them with spiritual food. I take care of them kuma spiritual needs wabo. I make sure that I am there as a covering, as a father to them. Whenever they've got any cry, no mangaba bana any need, they are able to call me. Baba, I need this. Baba nginenkinga la. Baba, and so forth, because I am a father to them. You understand?
Let us engage and is more interesting. Something yeah. Number 1, ayongibuzela. Njengoba ukhuluma kanjalo kuyo lencwadi uthi lencwadi isho ukuthi umuntu mayekuzalile then you become a parent. Are you implying ukuthi la ebandleni laseKorinte bonke abantu ababekhonza eKorinte bashunyezwa uMapostle Paul kuphela?
I-majority yabo.
Sengisho nje but uyamuzwa ukuthi uthini? Ngiyathanda ukuthi majority not bonke. Minority engashunyezwa ngobani? But muzwe ukuthi yena uthini mayekhulumela. Uthi ngana abafundisi abayizinkulungwane bakhipha bonke nabashumayeza abanye bazalwa laba abanye ngenxa yabo. Uthi nabo labo bangama instructors yimngedo onizalile. So the fact ukuthi umuntu mshumayezile ayikwenzi spiritual father, because uMapostle Paul akakusho lokho isibuyela lapha. Amvumelana naye ayikwenzi spiritual father.
Mina uhamba la usithatha uMapostle njengoba bakho
lokho ayisho lo. So mayivumelana nami mayizothi akusibo bonke abashunyezwa uMapostle Paul eKorinte, kodwa uMapostle Paul mayi address ibandla laseKorinte bakhipha bonke nabashumayeza abanye ubabeka ngaphandle. Uthi labo bangabafundisi mina bangama instructor yini onfoundile mina nonke nebandla laseKorinte nobaba munye laba abanye bangama instructor. So ngifuna ukuthi mhlambe ngingene kulo. Number 2, ngicela usazophendula. Uma ufa wena ushumayeza umuntu, does it mean that person njengebandla laseKorinte mangabe sikhuluma indaba ama spiritual fathers, the church of Corinthians, it became a spiritual fatherless? Zange sithaba nayo baba umuntu wenze njani
ngabantu? Yebo, not a problem.
Amen.
Now bengisafuna ukukhomenta kuleqala and then sobuza le question, ngicela uqala ngequestion. Uma ngaba ake ngenze example ngami. Ubaba onginakekelele wangikhulisa ngaze ngafinyelela la ngiphumela khona uNkulunkulu ngiyoshumayela ivangeli. Ubaba the late Nicholas Makhathini. Washona akasekho ebandleni. Ibandla lisaqhubeka. Ibandla liqhubeka under i-leadership ubaba wayeshiyile. Right? Now, ngenze example ngami. The person obeka yisekela lika baba ekuholeni ibandla uyimentor yami, uyi-instructor yami. Is not my spiritual father, because uyi-instructor ngoba uye manje ongigayidayo, uye manje ongifundisayo, uye manje ongibonisa. He's an instructor, uyi-mentor. Ngenye version yesilungu ithi mentors, many mentors. So he is my mentor, ubaba David Tabane. You understand? So ibandla now lase Christ Ambassadors Gospel Church eFosorius ebeliholo ubaba uMfundisi Makhathini right now alikwazi ukuthi libize ubaba uTabane as ulon spiritual father or as a founder. but ubaba uTabane uqhubeka ngalo lokhu uTimothy akwenzayo manje la ekhuluma ngako umpostoli uPaul uthi ngimthumelela bani uTimothy oyindodana yami ozoqhubeka ngalokho engimfundise kona anikhumbuze anibonise zonke indlela zami so uyi-instructor now uTimothy ebandleni laseKorinte makafika angeke abe ubaba kodwa ufika as an instructor ufika as a mentor you understand ufika as a coach because any group of people or anyone udinga ukuthi alidwe so uba yi-leader not as a father but uba yi-leader as an instructor you understand so that is uku-answera leyo question now leyo ilona yesibili then kwi-point yakho yokuqala umpostoli uPaul uma ngaba ethi ngingobaba kini ningaba nothisha abaningi ebandleni la ngikhonza khona ngubaba but phakathi ebandleni kukhona asebakhulile baze bafinyelela kwi-level yokuthi babe ngama-instructor babefundisi babavangeli baprofethi bayini bonke labo bantu bayasebenza benza lo msebenzi wenzayo kodwa not as fathers
okay
you understand now these people uma ngaba bewenza umsebenzi lapha noma ngaba ke sekufika wena ngineme wena ebandleni uzokhuluma you are an instructor you are teaching nomunye ulona umabunda uke wafika kaningi lapha ebandleni ezoshumayela akathi ngoba efikile washumayela abeseba ubaba now kwindaba ukuthi hayi ukuthi wonke umuntu omshumayezile ongubaba kuye now let me differ kuleyo uma umuntu oshumayelayo asikhulumi ngalo okushumayeza sowusindisiwe sikhuluma ngalo okushumayezile wamkela ivangeli that awuna chance akakwazi ukuthi angabi ubaba noma ngaba kuumntwana omncane noma kuyintombazana noma kungumama lo muntu otshale ivangeli kuwe uba umzali uba ngubaba kuwena now why legama elithi ubaba why using the gama elithi ubaba even kumama or kwintombazana or emntwaneni the gama elithi baba it's a person onikezana ngeseed is a seed carrier lo muntu ophethe imbewu ungubaba uma ngaba ekhaya kunabantwana ababi ngabantwana ngenxa kamama umama kanambewu kodwa umuntu ophethe imbewu yokuzala ubaba labantwana noma ngaba bezalwa umama ngesibeletho noma bethwala umama ngesibeletho kodwa lento ayizalayo inala ibuya khona that is why in most cases uma ngaba kufunwa isiqiniseko DNA phecelezi isiqiniseko sokuthi umntwana owala noma akuyiwa kumama akuyothatha iDNA kamama kuyothatha iDNA kabani kababa why because of uye onikezane ngeseed otshale iseed so that person okushumayizile wamkela ivangeli noma ngaba ngubununu lo muntu lo ungubaba now sekungathi ke manje this is wisdom this is not biblical engathi ke manje la ufellowship khona usubmit khona lo muntu okuholayo manje endleleni yokukhula ebandleni sinobaba uBishop Majomano uyamazi ubaba omdala Khehle lidala lo baba lo ngashumayela mina estradeni walizwizwi ngishumayela estradeni kodwa umuntu owamqhubela kuKristu indodana yakhe encane ngalesa sikhathi umfana wakhe bekana 11 years uye wathi baba ngiyacela siyesontweni wahlushwa ile ndaba ukuthi njalo umntwana mabaya esontweni uthi baba masambe sesontweni you understand now athi uNkulunkulu baba uyakuthanda and so forth now mina uma ngabe fika lo baba sekamukela uJesu enkonzweni emva koba ngishumayela I gave honor to this young boy oye washumayeza ubabakhe waloke ehlupha ubabakhe ngendaba kaNkulunkulu ekhaya mina ngibe kwi-platform yokuthi ubaba athole ithuba lokuthi na lento ebeyilokhulunywa ngomntwana ibe practical you understand so lo yamntana lo uye kahle kahle even today I always say kamdala manje I always say ukuthi wena umvangeli kababa wena
ngicela ungena ncane
ngiyabona
yeah I think umbuzo wami omunye wale ngempizela akayibuzanga ngiyafuthi inceke ibe clear.
Yes.
Because clear position yakhe ukuthi umuntu umshumayezile i-spiritual father. Nithi ke wenze example ngebandla lenikhonza kulona uthi inceke uthe i-founder.
Yes.
Then the question that I ask is the church now spiritual fatherless?
Okay. Okay. Ibandla right now li operator under instruction.
Yeah.
I-instructor, i-mentor.
Yeah.
Spiritual fatherhood ngithe mangiqala ngathi the fact that ngizele umuntu ngokamoya akusubstitute ukuthi uNkulunkulu osezulwini ungubaba.
Okay.
Okay.
Ngishilo le nto leyo mangiqala. That is why nawe njengoba uzele ubaba uKhumalo ngokwenyama uzele ubaba uKhumalo ngokwenyama akususi indaba ukuthi umuntu owenza ukuthi ube khona uNkulunkulu.
Okay.
So you still noma ngabe ubaba uKhumalo angazi ukuthi usekhona noma akasekho noma ngabe sekahambile emhlabeni uNkulunkulu akasuki yena angeke azafe angeke azasuke kodwa umuntu ongakunakekela ongumuntu wesilisa emva kokuba uKhumalo esehambile ngalo yanyaka uma sekahambile lo muntu ozokunakekela ungena empilweni yakho njengamento lo muntu lo ulona umpostoli uPaul akhuluma ngaye angeke asaba ulona uBabukhumalo unless ak-adopte njengoba ngogeqeza ngithi hayi mfoka Khumalo ngiya-adopta manje uba ingane yami then sengiba ngubaba kodwa ngiba ngubaba hayi okuzele.
Ngifuna nje icace kahle ngoba siya engage nje. So ngiyithanda mayibeka ngeexample yasenyameni. Mina njengoba ngizalwa uKhumalo uma ngathiwa mhlambe uKhumalo kuyenzeka ukuthi ngoba ngeke ngisakulokhunjana ngizehlisa iminyaka ngithi mhlambe ngina 12 years ngizalwa uKhumalo bese yashona uKhumalo uma eshona uKhumalo mhlambe lokhunjana ngikhiphe noma ongizalayo ngiba intandane noma ngiba umuntu ayingafaka umama ngiba umuntu ongenababa kuthiwa I am fatherless because ubaba asinjani akasekho.
Yes.
Into efana nale uma noma ngaqhamuka omunye lethi nceka ngi-adopt kodwa the fact is ubaba ongizalayo njani akasekho sekuzoba umntwana kwalo baba ngani adoption.
Yes.
Still i-question yami isamile noma ngabe uNkulunkulu khona beninayo ubaba noma umuntu enomrecognize njengobaba washona.
Yep.
The question stands, are you now spiritual fatherless? Ngifuna nje icace kahle leyo because angilana senze abazalwane uma behamba nale term spiritual father bazi bahamba nani ngoba ngincwadi according to incwadi kaEphesians for ithi thina umsebenzi wethu uthi si-edify ibandla ukuze kupheleliswe emsebenzini wokumkhonza ubani uNkulunkulu futhi kufanele ukuthi izwi mase sichaze kahle ukuze nomunye umuntu mayithatha lento azi ukuthi uthathana.
Yes.
Ngoba lesifundo se-spiritual father kasekho ke manje babe benimgadi regard as a spiritual father.
Yeah.
Is the church spiritual fatherless?
The church is spiritual fatherless by birth, not nge-absence kaNkulunkulu ongubaba webandla lonke. Lapho ngeke lize libe fatherless because uNkulunkulu akafi. Now lo baba lo obekhona physically sehambile ngenze example ngalo baba wami baba Makhathina kasekho lela bandla lase CGC right now alisenayo ubaba oyifounder yebandla.
Spiritual fathers.
Yes.
Okay. Before siyalapha I think i-term esuke ibe too difficult la it's a spiritual father.
Yes.
So the question maybe to ask you Mfundisi Ugeqeza also to bring ukuthi sikhulise le. We have many things that we have mentioned as a spiritual. We don't have a spiritual father only, we also have spiritual wife.
Yes.
And also while we have spiritual wife, we have a spiritual home. And besides spiritual home, we also have spiritual son because there is no spiritual father beside his spiritual son. So I want to know, ukuthi Mfundisi Ugeqeza, are we supporting our spiritual father and spiritual husband while we are not supporting we are not supporting spiritual wife and spiritual husband, but we support his spiritual father. So Mfundisi, what is the difference between those two, his spiritual wife and spiritual husband and spiritual father?
Okay.
Yes.
I think lapho uhlanganise ama-term
yes
afanayo kodwa kwi context different noma kuma context are different le oyibuzayo now it's another context because lapho suke sikhuluma ngombuso obumnyama you understand ama spiritual husband and spiritual wives embusweni obumnyama eza noma angama intruder you understand now akuna spiritual father and spiritual son esinga ukulimini spiritual wife and spiritual husband esingamfaka kule context esikhuluma ngayo you understand asikwazi la it's a son now in the evil world that is why mangaba uya nje online uthi spiritual father ingakunikeza even izangoma nabo banabantwana babo bathi bangama spiritual fathers now no ban but now in the context esikhuluma ngayo in the Christian or in the house of faith lapho sikhuluma about the fathers abazele ngevangeli and so forth. So this one okhuluma ngaba yilaba abama intruder abangenayo as the distraction or as the kingdom of destruction.
Yes, you know what why we and it's spiritual.
Yes.
Une spiritual father, une spiritual wife.
Yeah.
Somebody who's watching might be get lost with a spiritual father, but my same spiritual father is against the spiritual wife that I have. So I want to maybe to give a difference between who might think like this, because it is spiritual. The word spiritual is broad. Because there's an issue with a spiritual home. This is my spiritual home.
Yes.
And then in the spiritual home, why we need to give them understanding why we see counselor is spiritual wife.
Yeah.
But the spiritual father, is right.
Okay.
So so that they will have understanding. The spiritual father and the spiritual wife is still okay.
Okay.
Yes.
No. Now, the spiritual wives and the spiritual husbands is the spiritual entities. It's not the human being.
Okay.
We are not fighting. That is where the Bible says asilu nenyama negas. So these things are intruder yenye yama yezindlela usathane atheka ngazo abantu abakholwayo.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
So those are the evil spirits esilwanazo. We are not talking about the father eskhuluma is the person that is taking care. Those ones are not taking care, but they are destroying.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
And they are spiritual entities. They are spiritual principalities. They are spiritual strongholds. Ezibamba impilo zabantu, ezidestroy impilo zabantu abakholwayo. So that is the difference. Those are spiritual entities, and then ezidestroyayo. Those are not. uNkulunkulu is a spiritual being according to verse alfundile umntu elika John chapter number 4 verse number 24 elithi uNkulunkulu ngumoya. Now ungumoya yebo, no Satan ungumoya. But why are we fighting the devil? It's because of the devil is doing what is against God.
Okay.
You understand? So even those spiritual wives and the spiritual husbands, they are in the same line as Satan, who is fighting with the will of God. That is why we cast them away. You understand? So bengifuna ukufunda le verse esencwadini ka 2 Kings.
Yes.
Chapter number 2, and bengifuna ukuyilahlela ngapha kumphathi. Yeah. Ngifuna ukuyilahlela ngapha. Elisha la. Ukhuluma ngo-Elijah. Uthi, and Elisha saw it, and he cried out, my father, the chariots of Israel and its horsemen. So he saw him no more, and he took hold of his own cloths and tore them into 2 pieces. Now we know the stories where Elijah bashukana akhuphuka. Now Elisha ngumprofeti, Elijah ngumprofeti, but Elisha uye wazalwa ekukholweni noma ngabe buprofethini ubani uElijah.
Yes.
Now uElisha saw uElijah as ubaba. That is why now masekahamba uElijah ukhuluma lamazwi uElisha all along asimzwanga ukhuluma ngobaba, but now la it's clear ukuthi bekamregada as ubaba. Uthi my father buka nazi inqola. Now uma ngaba esho lokho sibuyela kule question ukuthi manje sekahambile uElijah akasekho uElijah. Lokho kusobala ukuthi njengoba uElijah angasekho uElisha usele nganababa, but lokho uthi usele nganababa kusho ukuthi usele nganamamento, usele enganama instructor. That is why at a later stage we find ukuthi in the company of abaprofeti uElisha uyatholakala. uElisha kunamadodana wabaprofeti, hayi womprofeti, amadodana wabaprofeti, and then basendaweni lapho eyodwa bahleli bonke, and then kuvela omunye uthi kubo noma uthi indawo esihleli kuyo manje incane kudingeka ukuthi siyogala inkolo ngoba uElisha manje seka actor now seka ngubaba kuba prophet kumadodana waba prophet. Now mangaba bafuna anything they are going to him. Before they were not going to him because there was ubaba ongubani onguElijah. You understand? So this word into elimazayo noma ngaba esiargue ngayo singumzimba kaKristu kahle kahle yile term elite spiritual father,
But the spiritual
but
father
the concept ethi kunobaba siyavumelana sonke. Ngicabanga ukuthi nomntungwa siyavumelana ukuthi kunobaba and then kunendodana noma kunobaba kunomntwana.
This is where Mfundisi, I want you to also to explain what is the role now of being a son to a father, because as far as we share ngaphandle irole yesana, also that even the one othi yena unobaba, because kuna la siya khona hayi Mfundisi ngifuna ngibe ngathi ngiyadonsa. This is a very sensitive and also broad term, your spiritual father. I know ukuthi umntuma might be somehow agree with you, but there's someone who's watching and that I couldn't speak la we are quota, but is not saying what is right. So ngifuna ukukhulumela ama spiritual sons ukuthi to understand them what is the role of being a spiritual son. Then kuzoba le follow up question after that of a spiritual son, where we going to also ukuthi say highlight a bit is submission, which iwela is submission.
Okay.
After let's also give the role of a spiritual son.
Okay. All right. Ngizophendula but ngicela utholele incwadi.
Yes.
Yeah. I role ye spiritual son, one is to be a child.
Okay.
Number two, a spiritual son is to receive the instruction, is to receive a covering, is to receive fatherhood, parenting. The role yendodana. Then indodana as ikhula, then is there also to stand with ubaba so that naye makakhula abe ubaba. Now is to sit and observe, if we kamele writing this, to observe yirole yakhe fanele ukuthi observe ukuthi ubaba wenzani njengobaba, wenza kanjani ubaba njengobaba. That is why umpostoli Paul ethumela uTimothy bakhona labo bafundisile, but now uTimothy uye wahlala la kuPaul to a point ukuthi uPaul he believed ukuthi uTimothy udle yonke into ayiyo uPaul angakwazi ukuthi ayidlulisele kwabanye so that bakwazi ukuthi benze kahle. So yirole yendodana yokuthi to serve.
Yes.
No. Before speaking with serve. Is to be a child is not to serve.
Okay.
To be a child is not to serve, but to be a child is to be a dependent.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
Now, secondly, to serve. Now, thirdly, to observe or to be trained, to receive training.
Okay.
And then later on, when the son is well matured, to honor, which is also part of indaba submission.
Yes.
To honor the father. So sekuyenye ke manje topic mangabe ufuna ukuthi how does the son honor the father?
Yes.
Thank you.
So it's interesting. It's interesting. Please it's ngikuvulele lapho. Yes.
Angivalele kakhulu angivumi.
Ngibona ngathi uyavuma.
Angivumi. La ngisala khona number 1 ukuthinta indaba kaEliya noElisha. Right. Again akakho la uEliya. Ngazi umuntu anga-argue athi but now babukhumalo you are being difficult for nothing. Akukho la ithi khona my spiritual father. Angithini angiphiki ukuthi akhona ama-fathers.
Yes.
Okay.
Evangeli awusengabe phela siyaganga. First Timothy chapter 5. First Timothy chapter 5. Ungayikhahli indoda endala.
Yeah.
Kodwa wena dila nayo noma iphathe njengoyihlo kuwe.
Ngiyabonga.
Okusho ufundisa ubeqeza ubaba manje.
Usesigabeni sinabo baba evangelini, but they are not spiritual fathers. That's where the issue is. Because now the moment you say a person is a spiritual father, you are taking the office of God. Asibuyelana. Yes, you are taking the office. That's not argument. They are replacing God.
Okay.
That is why and now into abayenzayo behlisa umuntu la uNkulunkulu embizele khona bazombeka kwi-level ye-man.
Manje sonke lesikhathi uthuli nayi kodwa kufanele uqale ngayo.
Ngisho nje.
Sasifuna ukuzwa lokho.
Ngisho kanje. Ungabuya lomzoyizwa lento ngisho. So into abayenzayo they are taking a mere man bamfaka kwisikhundla sikaNkulunkulu. That is why lento abafundisi ababizwa ngama spiritual fathers baze bagcine bathi yiba abane njengoba umuzi ncekethi ne spiritual covering. No man can cover another man spiritually. There is no such thing ukuthi khona umuntu who can cover another man. Now uma uyofunda incwadi ka Romans chapter 8 ngofunda I think verse 10 kungaphosisi siphe ngiyathanda ukufunda mina
You can read fast because our time is against us.
yeah but iningi into esele kancane so ithini ke lencwadi ithi ke ngisho Romans 8 ne
Yes.
yeah ithi actually 10 I think u14 yeah ithi ngokuba bonke abaholwa ngomoya kaNkulunkulu labo bangabantwana bakaNkulunkulu. Now sekunabantu abacabanga ukuthi bahola abantu noma kufanele bahola abantu. Abapostoli, abaprofeti, abavangeli, othisha kanjalo nabelusi. Uma ufunda incwadi yezenzo u20 verse 28 ithi mangelanga mhlambi kaNkulunkulu umoya engcwele ankethiwe kulo ukuthi nibe yini ababonisi azizuzelele uNkulunkulu ngelakhe igazi. Bonke labantu laba abekho ku level yokuba ama spiritual father because ohola abazalwane abe ngubaba abanike direction abanike iclarity kwelikamoya abaguide kwelikamoya umoya engcwele uma uJesu Kristu enyukele ezulwini njengoEliya wanyukele ezulwini ukhuluma nabapostoli before ezo uthi angikushaya kodwa nezintandane ukodwa ngizomthumela omunye umduduzi umoya ongcwele uthi yena uzomholela kulo lonke iqiniso umzalwane ezalwa njengoba sengingayithinta uzalwa uNkulunkulu abe ubaba kuye uNkulunkulu akafi alikho ibandla emhlabeni esingathi ni spiritual fatherless mina ngilaphuza manje i-wrong noma ayisile iqiniso ukuthi ibandla abazalwana bakulo li spiritual fatherless that's why I emphasize that point linayo ubaba linayo nje ubaba alikho spiritual father because abazalwane laba bazalwa uNkulunkulu kuphi kwelikamoya. And mayibazala kanjalo uNkulunkulu uthi yena uzokhulisela bona but lezi zitsha lezi ezingabafundisi nabapostoli ziyasetshenziswa endlini. Now ngithande ukuthi emphasize indaba le kaMpostoli Paul uthi why ngithi uMpostoli Paul uyaqualify ukuthena ngangena noma ngayisho le nto le i-term noma amagama awasebenzisayo lapha bengasebenzisa amagama ukuthi paint as a spiritual father but ukuveza as an original. There is why ngibeka indaba yani kaAbraham ukuthi Abraham is the father but not the spiritual father. Uyifather ku-faith. Abapostoli they are regarded as fathers or founders mufunda incwadi ka-Ephesians but not spiritual fathers because they are the ones who were used by uNkulunkulu ukubenzeni tholakala ibandla kutshalwa ibandla endaweni ehlukene. Kithi sonke sikhona njengamanje abafundisi nababizwa ngabapostoli abangena lela office lapha abapostoli nceke ngifuna izwe kahle ke la sonke thina singabafana sonke nini ngoba akekho umuntu ongamtshela singabafana yeah singamasana sonke
okay
into eyenza ukuthi abapostoli laba yeah
kubani
yeah ngizochaza into eyenza ukuthi laba abapostoli umphetho Paul akhuluma ngalesibindi akhuluma ngazo those men were called by uNkulunkulu ukuthi bazoba ingxenye ye-foundation yebandla likaNkulunkulu ngazwa ukuthi ngithini njengalokhu uNkulunkulu ayibizela uAbraham ukuthi azoba yi-foundation yabo bonke abanjani abakholwa the moment ekusebenzisa in that category uNkulunkulu kubiza ngefather yeah that's why uAbraham yini uyifather lo father akasho ukuzala kodwa usho ukuthi usetshenziswe uNkulunkulu uqala into ethize you understand umZulu ukusebenzisa igama lokuthi uthi nginizele kuKristu but lokuzala lo noma emsebenzisini ngingayibiza ngithi it's metaphorical noma language nje ayisebenzisini but into ayiphintayo lapha uMaster Paul ukuthi mina ngisetshenziswe inkosi ukuqala ibandla laseKorinth akekho njengamanje umfundisi osetshenziswa ukuqala ibandla siya-eda sonke ibandla selaqalo sonke siya-edwe ibandla noma ngeza negama elithi mhlambe iPhelelan Church as long as uChristianity awuyiqali uya-eda ngoba vele ibandla selaqala kuthiwa baliqala abaprofethi oIsaiah abashumayela ngokuza kaJesu oJeremiah nabo bonke bese kuza abapostoli laba abayishumi nambili there is one ukhona abapostoli abayishumi nambili moya lencwadi kaRevelation chapter 20 ngaphozu verse 14 lithi ke elokhunjeni ama-walls elokhunjani temple noma tabernacle lali nama foundation awu-12 ayinama foundation awu-12 each and every foundation ayinegama leni lompostoli wewundlu laba apostoli bayasetshenziswa uNkulunkulu ukuthi bamise ini isisekelo senkolo eyindlu kaNkulunkulu ungafunda incwadi kaEphesians isitshela ukuthi kwakhiwa indlu kaNkulunkulu inesisekelo abapostoli abaprofeti uJesu Kristu utshele iguma there is why they are being regarded as what as founders of fathers there is why umpostoli John mayekhuluma uthini address ibandla ngani njengabantu abami kanjalo
izovaleka kanzima kodwa ngenxa yesikhathi ngithanda le gama limentionile lokuhlukanisa abapostoli bewundlu uma ngaba ke singasho ke abesi2 abapostoli
wabuya wathi sonke singabafana
yeah angeke ngene lapho ngoba izosihlela isikhathi now kunabapostoli bewundlu which is bagcina kuleya 12 noma kuleya 13 asithi kuleya 13 minus lo ulona uJudas but plus uMatthias then umpostoli Paul akekho kuleya abapostoli bewundlu
okay
umpostoli Paul is an apostoli ye-ascension after uJesu enze njani akhuphuka akazange asindiswe azange alandele uJesu ehambe enyameni akekho kubapostoli bewundlu now umpostoli Paul urepresenta mina now after the ascension
okay
kaJesu now umpostoli Paul mangaba ke unaye uqualifier as one of the founders uqinisile ngivumelana nawe 100% ukuthi njengoba manje siqhubeka we are not founding the church no you are correct 100% that is why khona incwadi yabaCorinthians uthi umpostoli Paul isekelo sesibekiwe owakha thina siyakha kodwa we are not starting a foundation because already the foundation is ibekiwe understand now yilento engithe eqaleni into esilwa ngayo umzimba kaKristu silwa ngama terms that we are using yinto eyenze ivele isilimaze ngathi manje silwa ngedoctrine it's not a doctrine but the terms that we are using because we are is reason yokuthi ngithi ngifound is because of I am the first person to stand here and preach and then after ngishumayela kuhlangana abantu la kule ndawo automatically ukuhlanganiswa kwami labantu la abahlanganiswanga uPaul abahlanganiswanga uba yimi uhlanganise labantu now I become now the pioneer yaloku oqalile la you understand so that is why I ebandleni ke la ngikhonza khona kunama home churches I don't have ama home cells I don't have my home cells. I would go wrong with the home cells. I would go wrong with my cell groups. But abandoning according to Mbonu uNkulunkulu awubeke enhlizweni yami in ama home churches. Now, a home church, a person that I've appointed ukuthi kuyoqala I home church kwi area yakhe, lo muntu lo becomes the founder of that home church.
Sure.
Because uye through yena lo muntu lo uqala lokuhlanganyela kwalabazalwana abahlanganyela kulela khaya.
Sekuyikhatha lapho gospel because of the time. Babukeli bethu namhlanje ngiyazi ukuthi ayibhaleka ningajabulanga because of time isikhathi esinikwe sona la ekhaya kwa Gifted Media. We need ukuthi siyivale manje. But I want to give you this opportunity. Maybe you have a question Mr. Pelelani or Dr. Ukeqeza, you want to ask anything, please feel free to continue this conversation lapha comment section, and as well we'll try by all means that we bring them ukuthi bazophendula lawo ma question ona. Sikangene futhi ku episode elandelayo. Amen.
Ungazibulali saphelele sonke. Mfowethu, dadewethu, amehla akagcwele inyembezi. Ameva ohlangabezene nawo empilweni, ahlabile wafinyelela enhlizweni. Miningi imibuzo onayo engqondweni. Bona usaphilelani emhlabeni. Imihla namalanga kuvela okube esigebeni. Labo bathembile baphelele emathuneni. Inkingo onazo siphunyukile esifubeni. Akekho ongazezweni. Uthulele bezidla ngaze ematafuleni. Ubukholwa kodwa kusathandazeki. Ngisho nesenkonzweni usuyile kodwa kusakhonzeki. Ngisho isimo sakho asabhekeki. Ithemba ubunalo lihlakazekile, imicabango yakho iphazamisekile, amaphupho akho adukile, usuphila impilo ongayithandile, imisamo yonke uyivakashelile, imali igcina iphelile kodwa akukho kulungile.